In this video, we will look at the different chart types and formats available with the other tabs of the Taskpane. Here I have a simple column chart showing the reseller sales amount for Canada across 2022 for the different reseller types. In the Taskpane, I can change the columns to lines or bar charts. There are a wide range of chart types available within FluenceXL to suit your requirements. FluenceXL business charts were designed for clear financial communication. They allow you to quickly create charts that would otherwise be much harder to build in Excel. Variance charts allow you to quickly see the change between two members. Here we can see the difference between our sales for our different products between 2021 and 2022. The charts display the difference so we can easily see which products have not sold as well in 2022. Waterfall charts show the contribution of particular members towards a total, taking into account if the member is a revenue or an expense. We can see the gross margin is made up of revenue minus the cost of goods sold. For more information on these charts, check out our waterfall chart video. Variance waterfalls combine those last two types to display the change across two members. So here, I can see the change in my sales amount between 2022 and 2023 split by quarter for the United States. This view can be personalized to see the months. This allows us to immediately identify the months with smaller sales than the same time last year. We can also choose to split the difference by another hierarchy, for example, our products. I can now see the difference in sales for the children of accessories. For more information on these charts, check out our Variance waterfall video. Whatever chart type you choose, there are a large range of formatting choices. You can quickly apply IBCS formatting via the dynamic chart option in the ribbon. We can find more quick access options up here, but for all formatting options, head to the Taskpane Format tab. Here, we can use the drop-down to select the part of the chart we want to format. We can change the colour palette used by the chart to use, for example, the same colour scheme as Power BI. We can go ahead and personalise the individual colours too. We can also customise the axis, such as the font, size and alignment of the categories. We can add another member to our columns to see our chart duplicated, this time showing the results for Canada. We notice that the axis scale is the same to enable easy comparison between the columns. We can change that axis, such as setting a new maximum for the scale, and any changes will be applied to all the selections we made. I can enable data labels to see the value of each bar and set the number format to be used. FluenceXL charting gives you the flexibility to build highly personalized and responsive charts which update with your data, avoiding the need to repeat manual formatting.